Absolute Wealth. Real investors, real results.
Hey everybody, this is John Carter with Absolute Wealth, and of course, it's the election time. So I'm doing this before the election, so by the time you see this, the election results will probably already be out. And I can show you what I'm looking at. So I don't know who's going to win the election, and in terms of a trading perspective, it doesn't really matter. I just think the market's going to do what it's going to do, and at this point you can see that the 8 and the 21 EMA have crossed, indicating a pretty massive sell signal, and I'm ultimately still looking for a move down into the 134, 132 level into the end of January, early February. Now, it doesn't mean that we can't have a little bit of a pop up here, but I think any rally will be short-lived. Okay, there's just too many things going on economically at this point that, you know, just a president winning an election is not going to change anything. Okay, that's what I'm looking at. If we look at the NASDAQ market, it's even more of a bloodbath here. And you can see the Qs here. They're a long ways, even from their 21-period moving average, which is just kind of a way to measure the mean, the average price of a move. And then there's Apple, which is just getting destroyed. And you can see here is on the verge of, if it takes out 566, it could be on the verge of a meltdown. This is where you start getting into margin call territory and different things like that. On the upside, you did have gold have a nice little pop today, but you can see that even though it had a nice little pop, it's not through its 21-period moving average. So it's just a retracement. There is no, there's no definitive move here. Same thing, crude oil had a good move today, but didn't really move at all. Taking a look at the euro, which is of course inverse of the dollar, had a little bit of a pop today, but again, no game changer. Okay, so it is a little bit of a hurry up and wait, but my take on this is that the markets are in a downtrend, and the presidential election will not change that over the long term. Okay, hope that helps. You guys have a great night, and we'll see you at the next update.